little smaller than the typical size, and they're pretty doggone light. They fit perfect in this little boat.
Extremely happy with this LiTime battery. It took about 300 pounds off this golf cart.
This is going to be a great backup system for them when their power goes out.
Beleza dessa bateria, isso vai ser muito bom pra manezinha que tá muito pesada. Controlador da placa solar. Check.
Go get you some, baby. I'm liking it.
I do think this is a fantastic little battery.
This thing will let me run this without tripping out that breaker at a high speed, so that was really cool to see.
It is my number one choice. It is made to be a powerful battery. It will carry your next outdoor streams. Come check out your next LiTime battery.